Welcome to an exciting new segment, where we will learn how to combine two data frames using a common key or indicator. This is a fantastic feature of Python that substitutes SQL joins and is of great utility when you have wished to analyze data that is spread across multiple datasets. Let's start. Read in the datasets world cities and world cities info. Assign them to variables called cities and locations. Now run the head function to view first 3 rows of each data frame. Here we see that cities data frame contains city, country name and population, whereas the locations data frame contains that latitude and longitude information of each city. In this example we will combine the two data frames using city parameter, since that is the common parameter between the two datasets. Pandas provide an excellent function called merge for this purpose. Let's use it. In first approach, let's merge the cities dataset into locations. Write locations variable followed by period and merge function. In the merge arguments, write the target data frame in write parameter, that is cities. Then give the key parameter as city ASCII, which is the common variable in both datasets, and assign it to write on argument. In the left on argument, give the key parameter of the base data frame called city. In the how argument, write inner, which is the logical and operations, meaning only the common records that exist in both the tables will be combined. And that's it. Perfect. Now you get a nice looking consolidated table having columns from both the tables that are combined using cities as key parameter. Now let's repeat the same process, this time using pandas object PD. The only difference is that we have to explicitly mention left and right tables along with reference columns from both the tables, followed by inner combine method.